Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the ZTE Axon 20. So we have a Google Lens service on this device, so there we have two ways for it. First one is by the Google Photos. So just choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example, and now just tap on the Google Lens icon and it will process starting automatically, and you are looking for similar images. That was the first way. Now the second one, so we have to open the web browser. Then go to the google.com, and it's a very important step now, and do not forget about this. You have to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on this little small camera icon and choose upload a file, add a permission and select it like before. Click done, and that's it. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.